resign from the teaching job or the convenience store job? I think the convenience store job. Yeah, right? Kind of, for me, this is a kind of sad article, but anyway. What are your thoughts on the teacher getting in trouble for his side hustle? Side hustle. Especially if your income is not enough. How old was he? 16? I mean, they look so old. Okay, revise tax. 5 years. Are you still living with your family, Yan? Okay. Or, oh, I mean, you're with your mom and dad? Oh, okay. Yeah, but anyway, do you think school teachers have a tough job? Ah, so it's actually the expectation in the private school is so high. Okay, it's different. It's a bit different in the Philippines. I think public school teachers have a more difficult job because they do different tasks, like, and they do a lot of work. Other subjects. One minute. Oh, I've heard about Chinese traditional medicine. Yeah, because some Filipinos go to traditional Chinese doctors. Yeah. shorter of studying. Mm. Mhm. Oh, I think it's difficult to learn by yourself. I think it's better to learn it from another doctor, like to really learn it firsthand and witness how this doctor do it. But basically, it's more about like looking at the tongue.